Okay. So first, we need to get the greatest common factor. Greatest common factor. Okay? So, paano ba natin makukuha ang greatest common factor? First of all, dapat alam muna natin yung factor. So, paano natin malalaman ang factor? Ang factor is kapag dinivide natin siya at pwede siya ma-divide, so that yung sagot doon, that will be the factor of that number. For example, pili kayong isang number. Choose any number.
10 divided by 2.
10 muna tayo. 10. Okay? So we have 10. So let's see what is the factor of 10. Like Pipa said, 10 can be divided into 2. What is 10 divided by 2? Ay, bakit times are? Sorry. So, divide. Is 10 can be divided into 2? Yes. Diba? And what is 10 divided by 2?
5.
5. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we have now the first factor of 10, and that is 5. Now, let's see another factor of 10. What number can be divided into 10 also? 10 can be divided into 5, diba? 10 divided by 5, the answer is 2. So we have the answer in 2. So another one is 10 can be divided into 1.
Yes.
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 And what is 10 divided by 1?
10.
Yes. If we have the 10 and we group it into 1, so we have 10 also. So all of the quotient or all of the answer here will be the factors of 10. So if we write here, what is the factors of 10? Lahat ng basta pwede natin siyang i-divide, then yung sagot doon, yun yung factor ng 10. So mga factor ng 10 natin, we have 2, we have 5, and we have 10. Okay? Meron pa bang ibang factor ng 10 na pwede natin i-divide sa 10? Si 10 ba pwede natin i-divide kay 4? Bawal na, diba? Good afternoon po, teacher. Yes po. Third grade po. Mga 3 po, gano'n. Opo. Mamaya po. Opo. Meron po. Opo. Hmm. Opo. Major po. Opo. Opo, teacher. Sige po. Salamat po. Sige po. Salamat po. Thank you po, teacher. Wait lang ha, tumawag si teacher eh. So, ayan lahat yung factor ng ating 10. Okay? So, ano-ano ulit ang factor ni 10? Meron tayong 5, meron tayong 2, then meron tayong 10. Okay? So, for example naman, we're going to find the factor of, ano ba? Hanapin
20.
natin
20.
18 na lang. 18. Okay. Do you think, what is all the factor of 18?
2, 3.
Yes. 18 can be divided into 2, so very good. Then 18 can be divided into 3. Pwede natin i-divide si 18 kay 3. So, pwede din. Ano pa?
9.
9. 18 can be divided into 9. So, very good. 9.
And then maybe 6.
18 divided by 6. So, pwede. 6, diba? So, what else? Is there anything else?
Teacher.
Yes?
Teacher.
Yes?
Ella asked po if she can eat.
Yes, you can. Okay? But make sure that you will listen while you're eating, okay? So, listen ka na lang habang you eat, okay? Si tita nga nakain din eh. Did you eat, tita? What have you eat? Okay.
Rice.
Okay. So, eat ka na lang muna, okay? So, while listening. So, ano pa ang pwede natin maging factor ng 18? So, si 18, syempre, the number 18 itself. Factor ni 18 ang kanyang sarili. Lagi, wag nyo kakalimutan na si 18 is factor ng kanyang sarili. Okay? So, we have 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18 itself. Okay? So, we have 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18 itself. So, meron pa ba? Si 18 naman, hindi siya pwedeng i-divide kay 4, diba? May remainder siya. Bawal din siya kay 5. So, not divisibility na ni 18 si 5, so bawal din. Kay 12 ba? Bawal din kay 12. So, bawal din kay 10, dito na lang. So, ito yung mga factor ni 18, okay? So, punta tayo sa greatest common factor. So, GCF. In short, this is a GCF, okay? Kapag tinanong GCF, ito ang gagawin natin. Dalawang number lagi yun. For example, we have here 12 and also 18. Okay? We have 12 and 18. So, ililista natin muna lahat ng factor ni 12 and also lahat ng factor ni 18. Okay. Si 12 ba pwede natin i-divide kay 2? Pwede. So, sulat natin si 2. Kasi pwede natin i-divide si 12 kay 2. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So, pwede siya. Divisible siya. So, kay 12 ba, pwede natin siyang i-divide kay 3? Kapag pwede siyang i-divide, factor niya yon, okay? So, pwede natin i-divide si 12 kay 3. 12 divided by 3, that is 4. Ano pa?
Teacher, nakalagay po minus.
Ay, hindi yung minus. Okay. Equal na lang natin, okay? Yan. So, ano pa? Kanino pa natin pwedeng i-divide? Si 12 para malaman natin kung ano yung mga factor. 6. Ano pa? Pwede siya kay 6. What else?
I don't know what the answer is. 9? 4. 4.
Yon, very good. 4. 4, diba? 12 divided by 4, that is 3. So, 4 is divisible. So, divisible by 4 is 12. Then, syempre, the last number, the number itself. The number 12. Okay? Isusulat din natin si number 12.
Teacher, what kind of math is this?
That is the greatest multiple and factors. Factors and multiple tayo ngayon. So, sa book, nasa book yan. If you open your book, that is on page 273. Okay? 273. Yan. So, the book, it's in the book, that is 273. So, meron tayong GCF meron na tayong factor ni 12 na 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Like 2, 4, 6, then 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Ngayon, factor naman ni 18. What is the factor of 18? Siyempre, this is divisible by 2.
2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 9, and then 4, and then 18.
9. 4. Kasama ba si 4? Kasama ba si 4?
No.
No, hindi kasama si 4. Then also, 18.
18. The number itself.
The number itself. Wow, ha? Then, ngayon, ito kasi greatest common factor. So, hahanapin natin lahat ng mga common factor nila. Parehas ba sila may number 2? So, factor nila si number 2. And also, si number 3. Diba? Parehas sila may number 3. And also, parehas sila may number 6. Ngayon, tatlo yung factor nila. Pero, we must find which is the greatest. So, sa kanilang tatlong factor nila, common factor, which is the greatest? Greatest? What is the meaning of greatest? Pinakamalaki.
Bigger.
Yon, the biggest. The larger value. So, which is the biggest, the larger, or the greatest? Si 2, si 3, or si 6? 6. So, our GCF is number 6. Okay? Si number 6 yung ating GCF. Okay? So, ganyan. Na we have the greatest common factor. So, si number 6 yung ating GCF. Okay? So, naunawaan. Bakit hindi si number 3 yung GCF natin? Eh, parehas naman sila may number 3.
Because it's lower.
Okay. It is lower than 6. Naunawaan ba? Naunawaan ba natin, MM?
Teacher, what was that?
What?
Teacher, I got disconnected po. Teacher, I got disconnected po. I didn't hear you well and
Your internet connection is slow. Okay? So, don't worry. Naka-recorded naman yung ating discussion so you can play it again. Okay? What again yan? Ano, Ella?
you only have 3 students today.
Yeah. Yeah muna. So, you are blessed because you are here. Diba? You learn something today. So, diba? Something new sa inyo ito, GCF. So, naunawaan niyo ba? What is the GCF? So, another one. So, let's find the GCF again. So, let's find the GCF of 20 and 15. So, what is the factor of 20? Sa 20 muna tayo. What is the factors of 20? Pwede ba siya sa 2? 2, pwede siya sa 2, diba? And sabi ni Pipa sa 4. What else? 5 daw, 5. 8? Pwede ba na, factor ba ni 20 si 8? Pwede ba natin siya i-divide si 8? Don't think so, diba? What else?
20.
20. 10 ba? Pwede ba siya kay 10?
I think so.
Pwede siya kay 10, diba? Kasi 20 divided by 10 is equals to 2. So, there's no remainder. So, factor of 20 is 10. Then, the last one is the number itself. Okay?
Yeah, I said that before.
Yes, I heard it. Then now, factors of 15. Pwede ba si 2? Bawal. No. Diba? It's not divisible by 2. What else? 3, yes. 3 is 15 is divisible by 3. What else? 5.
5 and I guess 10.
10. So, 15 is not divisible by 10.
The number itself.
Yes, the number itself. The last one is the number itself. So, what is the only common factor? How many common factor we have?
5.
Only 5? So, if we have only 5 common factor, it means 5 is the greatest common factor at all. Kasi wala na naman siyang ibang kasama, diba? So, So 5 is the greatest common factor. So what is the GCF of 20 and 15? That is number 5. Okay?
Teacher,
Yes?
yung 5, isa lang siya.
Nag-iisa lang siya. Maswerte nga siya eh. Mag-iisa lang siya. Oh. Eh di siya na kagad yung greatest common factor. Diba? Di gaya kanina, ilan yung magkakatulad dito sa ating 12 and 18, tatlo, diba? So, kawawa yung 2 at 3, hindi sila napili. Dito mag-isa lang siya. So, napili siya as the greatest common factor. Diba?
Yucky! Teacher,
So,
last night, I told my grandma, Granny, 7 plus 7, and then she said, count it on your fingers. Then I did, so I suddenly worked on my math. That's why I missed breakfast today.
yes. So, do you understand the GCF? Do you have any question?
Yes, teacher.
Clarification. Do you have questions?
No. No po.
How about you, MN?
Super easy.
So easy. So, let's have another example.
Teacher, no po, and there's a hammer.
Yes.
And there's a hammer. Do you hear it?
Yes. So, let's have another example.
Please. Give me the more
Let's
example.
make it harder. You want some harder?
No. No, easy. No. I want easy. No.
No.
You
You want?
I want 54. I want 54.
Oh, 54.
No, Pita, no. Bad Pita, no.
So, let's start again for 18 and for number 48.
How can you have 40?
Okay.
Teacher, I have a regular chair. You can play too.
Okay, what is the factors of 18? Let's think all the factors of 18.
2, 3,
2, 3.
9, 6, 9, and the number 18. And 18.
Parang solo nyo na yung 18 ha? Parang solo nyo na yung factors ni 18.
It's because teacher, you gave the 18 for like 3 times already.
Sabi ni 18, I'm tired. You always use me.
You already know me, please give me another one.
So, 48. So, this one is so kindly medium hard. So, it's so many factors.
8, 6,
It
4,
can be divided into 2.
4,
Yes, it can be divided into 4. What else?
2, 4, 8, and 6, and the number itself. 2, 4, 6, 8, and no. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, and then 8.
8, diba?
And then the number itself? Yeah.
I think there's more than the number itself. Let's put the number itself at the end. So what else do you think?
More?
Do you think 48 can be divided into 12? 12.
5.
So sa 12, pwede natin siyang i-divide sa 12.
5. 5. 12. 5. 5.
I think it's not divisible by 5, diba? Kasi nag-end siya sa 8.
14.
14, yun, very good, 14. 14, not yet 14. Hindi pala 14, kasi 24, pwede pa si 24, diba? Si 24, pwede pa. Diba 24 plus 24? Or 24 times 2?
What about 20?
20 is not. Kasi 20 plus 20, 40. So, may labis siya na 8, diba? 48. So,
28.
kapag nag-plus pa tayo, so, hindi siya divisible by 20. Think any number that can be divided into 48. I think number 16.
20.
16, diba? 16 can be divided into 48. For example, 16 times 3. 6 times 3, this will be 18. So, carry 1 here. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 48.
Then 3 times 1?
Yes. 3 times 1, that is 3. Then we have a remainder 1, so it will become 4. So, 48. So, 16 and 3 is the factor of 48. So, may 3 na naman tayo, then lagay na lang natin si 16. Kasi factor din naman sila.
Teacher, meron tayong 2 and 3.
2 and 3 na, diba? So, meron pa ba tayong pwede maging factor? Wala na,
naman yung low.
wala na tayong ibang factor, diba?
Teacher,
Yes?
23? 23?
23 is not the factor of 48.
No.
How can we assure that that number is that number is a factor? So try to divide it. For example, we have 48. 48, and we're going to divide it into 23. So how many 23 there's in 48? There's only 23, 2. So 2 times 3, this will be 6. And 2 times 2, this will be 4. So there is a remainder, diba? So 8 minus 6, 2. So we have a remainder 2. So this is not a factor. 23 is not a factor. Okay?
Teacher,
Yes?
kawawa na naman si teacher. Kawawa naman si I will take naman ang lowest.
Lowest, ito. So tingnan natin, sino-sino yung magkakatulad? Common factor. We have 2,
2 and
3.
3. 2 and 3.
Is there any other
2 and 3.
factors? Tingnan nyo.
No. Magkaparehas yung 6 at 6.
Yon, 6 at 6. Hindi lang sila magkatapat pero magkatulad sila, diba? So, 6 will become their factors also.
You can do that.
What?
Again.
6 again.
So, 6 is the highest.
Hello, Kaylin. Good afternoon, good morning. There. Okay. Hello, Kaylin. So, which is the greatest common factor?
6 na naman.
6. Why 6? Why 6 is the greatest common factor?
Because it's the highest.
Yes, because
Yeah.
that is the highest.
It's
So,
the only highest that's together.
yes. So, GCF is 6. Okay? The GCF of 18 and 48, that is 6. Okay? So, Kaylin, listen carefully na lang para makahabol ka. So, catch up the lesson. Okay? So, we're just started. Okay? So, listen. So, we have another example.
What? Make it harder.
Make it harder.
medium only. Since Kaylin is here and she doesn't know.
Okay.
Medium lang. It's so easy.
So, let's see 15 and 25.
Yes.
Okay,
Teacher, can you
Kaylin.
make it harder later? No.
Okay, Kaylin, first step we need to do is get the factors. And we can get the factors by if that number is divisible by that number, by 15. For example, what number is divisible by 15, class?
3.
3, yes. 15 can be divided into 3. So, one factor is 3.
5.
So, 5 is divisible by 15. So, 5, we can write 5. Another?
And then 10.
I think 10 is not divisible by 15. 15 is not divisible by 10. Diba 10, when it ends in 0, saka lang siya nagiging divisible by 10.
10. Yes.
So, the number itself, diba? So,
Actually, right now.
so,
This one.
what? What, Tita?
You keep repeating this. Why? Which number is 18? I memorized 18.
You only know 18.
Can you please repeat it from the beginning? Sorry, I can hear you, but it's just that my mic when when I unmuted for some reason. I think you can hear me. Because I said in the chat box if you can hear me.
Ah, so, we can hear you naman, Kaylin. How about us? Do you hear us? Okay.
Apo. I don't know if that's correct, but I chatted on the chat box.
Okay. So, I didn't see the chat box. I'm focused on the white screen. Okay. So, sorry if I didn't read your box. What is the... Ah,
Just late because I was doing my math homework.
okay. Then, number 25. What is the factor of 25?
Um, 2?
Oops. 25 cannot be divided by 2. 5.
I'm lost.
5 times 5. Diba 5 times 5, that is 25.
5.
So, only 5. Oops, 10 is not divisible. 25 is not divisible by 5. So, 4 is not yet. So, I think this is only 5. Okay? So, wala na tayong pwedeng i-divide pa kay 25, kundi kay 5. Diba? We only have 5 times 5. What is 5 times 5? Only that.
25.
So, that is only the factor. So, and, syempre, the last is the number itself, diba? The number itself. So, we have the 25. So, what is the only factor?
5.
5. So, what is our GCF?
5.
So, our GCF is 5.
It's
Okay?
kind of hard because I thought this was going to be like add, but instead it was like it's type. I don't like type. Sometimes it's mostly hard for me. Really? By the way, I just saw some of them. Some of them. I've only done two. I don't know. I don't know all of them. I only know plus. I forgot. Oh yeah, Kaylin. I know by the fact that I just solved 7 to 7 last night. Just last night. I never knew what was 7 to 7 until last night.
Okay.
I know the better times I don't
The
know.
next number tayo, class. Listen na ulit.
Okay,
Later na ulit ang chit-chat.
now make it hard because of FIFA. Make it hard. I want FIFA
Yes.
turn na.
So, our two number here is 16
Make it harder than she wanted me to.
and 24. Okay. What are all the factors of 16? 4, 7. 7 is not the factors of 16. 8, very good, 8.
Oh, 8. Weird. I didn't even know it. I just chose the number.
So, what else? Is 2 factor of 16?
2. 3. 3. Where was 3? Yes, 2. 3.
3? I think 3 is not factor of 16. Diba? What else?
4. 4.
We have 4.
9.
9. So, 9 plus 9, that is 18. So, there's no 16 in 9. Diba? 9, 18, 27. So, 10 is not ends in 0. So, it's not the factor of 16.
8.
We have already write the 8. We have 8.
7.
No.
7.
So, there's no other factor than 2, 4, and 8. Then, the last is the number itself,
The
16.
number itself.
Okay. Pwede nyo din siyang lagyan ng 1. Okay, class? So, 1 is also the factor. So, So, pwede nyo din siyang lagyan ng 1. So, all number have the factor of 1. So, wag nyo nang kalimutan si 1. Okay? So, what is the factor of 24? What is that?
Sir, after this one, can you make it 100?
Oh
yes, for FIFA, for FIFA. 100.
No, that is beyond of your level. Okay? Beyond na yun of your level.
200. Make it like
Okay, what is the factor of 24, class? 24.
46. 46 and 24. Because you already wrote it down.
2. 2 is a factor of 24. Also 3.
Oh yeah.
Then, sabi ni Pipa 4. So, that is correct. 4 is the factor of 24. And 6, diba?
Isn't it skip counting?
No, it's not yet.
Teacher is going straight, like 1, 2, 3, 4.
But, wala na tayong 5.
But we just skipped number 5.
Yes. Because 5 is not the factor of 24. Hindi natin pwedeng i-divide si 24 kay 5. 24 is not divisible by 5. So, we skip 5. What others number?
The number itself. I guess the number itself.
So, let's put the number itself at the end. Because there is another number or factors of 24. Let's think, what is that number?
10?
10? So, gagamitin lang natin si 10 kapag 0 yung number natin, diba? 0 yung end ng number natin.
11. 11. No, wait.
11 is not.
14.
14 is not.
14 plus 10? 12.
So, ganito. Diba, ang 2 factor siya ni 24. So, try nyong i-divide si 24 kay 2. 24 divided by 2.
Times 2. 12 times 2. 12 times
12. Okay, this is 12, diba? So, 24 na to. I-24 natin.
2. Okay.
So, 12. So, it means 12 is divisible by 24. Ano pa? Meron tayong 3. So, divide niyo yung 3 sa 24. 24 divided by 3. What is the answer? 24. 24 divided by 3.
Teacher, let me think. Let me think my own.
Do you think what is the answer? Para malaman natin what is the factor.
I don't know the answer. This is really kind of difficult.
What your answer, Ella? Your answer is?
Teacher, mine 72. Mine is 72.
No, we're going to divide.
Mine is, for me, I don't know. I think.
So, how many 3 there is in 24? Ilang 3 meron kay 24? Kunyari, sulat tayo, 24. 1.
7.
Kulang ang 7.
8.
8. So, 8. Very good.
Very easy.
So, we have 8. So, 8 times 3, we have 24. 8 times 3, we have 24. So, magiging 0 to. So, it means 8 is a factor of 24. Factor din ni 24 si 8.
Who was saying it earlier?
Yes, I heard 8 earlier. I heard 8 earlier. Pero, he's not sure. She's not confident in her answer. So, this is 8. So, this 18. 18 is not divisible by 24.
Teacher, who said 8? 8, 4, 2, and 1.
Okay. So, what is the GCF natin? Ayan na lahat yung ating ano.
8.
Is 8 is the highest?
18. Yeah, 8.
8.
Yep.
So 8 is the highest. So our GCF is 8. Okay? 8 yung GCF natin. Basta kung sino yung highest number na factor nila, yun yung ating magiging GCF. Okay? Nakukuha ba natin?
Yes, teacher. Teacher, let's do 100.
No, it's beyond of your level for now. For now, we're doing 2 digits. Okay.
Let's do it for pizza.
Okay, in your notebook. So, let's try this in your notebook.
Yes.